Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to make hot and spicy barbecue chicken. So we only got the chicken breast, we've got the chicken thighs cuts, we've got sugar, we've got soy sauce, we've got crushed garlic, we've got cayenne pepper, Worcestershire sauce, and we've got apple cider vinegar. So we're gonna get into it. Okay, I'm gonna open up the plastic. So we're gonna put the, I'm not gonna, it says skinless, but I'm just gonna use one teaspoon of garlic, because okay, and what's next? Okay, we're going to do 2 tablespoons of apple vinegar cider. So we're going to do 2. So 1, 2. 2 of that. So we do 2 of that. I'll get a little. Let's see. He's just pulling it in. It's all fucking dirty. So we're just going to do. I'm just going to do 1 because it says 2, but because it is hot. Okay, I'm going to get some tomato sauce. We just got them can. Okay, how many tomatoes? We need 2. I'm just going to use the same. Just going to use the 2. 2. So, okay, 1. So we got the, okay, we got brown sugar, we got the sugar. So we're going to do 2, is it 2 teaspoons? I've just got a little spoon. 1, 2. Okay. Not Worcestershire sauce. So we got 1. I'll just do extra. So okay, we're gonna cover it and cook for 4 hours. So we're gonna put it. We're gonna turn it on. Oh, gotta get the lid here. So we're gonna. Turn it on. So cook it on. Yeah, it's on low for 4 hours. So probably won't be done. Thank you for watching how to make. What's it? Hot and spicy barbecue chicken. Oh, I'll write the recipe down below subscribe, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye.